Summer has arrived, and it's the perfect time to transform your gazebo into a delightful oasis where you can unwind, entertain, and soak in the sunny vibes. In this video, we'll guide you through creative and budget-friendly ideas to decorate your gazebo for the summer season. Picking a summer theme. The first step to creating a stunning summer gazebo is to choose a theme that embodies the spirit of the season. This theme will set the tone for your decorations and create a cohesive look. Think vibrant colors, lightweight furniture, and playful accessories that capture the essence of carefree summer days. Floral vines for the perfect summer gazebo. Floral vines can transform your gazebo into a botanical haven. Consider factors like sunlight, climate, and personal style when selecting your vines. Options like wisteria and evening glories offer unique beauty. These vines will not only add charm but also provide a natural and refreshing ambience. Lighting up your gazebo. Enhance your gazebo's allure with captivating lighting. Soft, dim lights create a relaxing atmosphere for unwinding, while bright or disco lights set the stage for festive gatherings. Lighting adds a touch of magic, making your gazebo inviting during both day and night. Outdoor fabrics for comfort and style. Utilize outdoor fabrics to enhance both the beauty and comfort of your gazebo. From throw pillows to curtains, outdoor fabrics are designed to withstand the elements while adding a cozy touch. They resist moisture and humidity, making them ideal for the summer season. Stylish summer upgrades with decorative screens. Elevate your gazebo's elegance with decorative screens. These versatile additions bring a touch of summer style and create a cozy haven for relaxation. With a variety of patterns and textures to choose from, these screens are a budget-friendly way to infuse elegance into your space. Wood blinds for control and privacy. Discover the magic of wood blinds. These functional additions allow you to control sunlight and ventilation, creating a soothing shade to beat the heat. Enjoy complete privacy while maintaining the charm of your outdoor oasis. Incorporating these ideas will transform your gazebo into a summer paradise, whether you're hosting parties or enjoying serene moments with loved ones. As the season unfolds, let your gazebo become a haven of summer joy and relaxation. Embrace the warmth, create unforgettable memories, and make the most of your outdoor oasis. Thank you for watching. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips and home improvement inspiration.